Hey guys, it's Wild Slimes, and today for Vlogmas I'm going to be making a thick slime and I'll show you how to make it. So what you'll need is some glue all, some clear glue, lotion, and a scent. That's optional, and also color is optional too. So first we need a bowl, a mixer, or anything like that. So I'll be using a mixer to mix the slime because this will be a big batch, but if you want to make like a smaller batch, or if you don't have a slime mixer for your slime, then you can just use like a bowl or a container, and it's basically the same except you're not using a mixer. So I like to, for my glue, I like to do 2 parts glue all and 1 part clear glue, because that makes it really thick but still really glossy. So I'm just gonna let this glue all pour. So while the glue all is pouring, I'm going to add like a lot of lotion. For big batches, I like to do maybe around like 15 to 20 pumps, which is a lot, but you know. Okay, I don't know why my train of thought ended like that, but I don't know what I was saying. Anyway, now I'm adding just a little bit, like 1 part clear glue. Okay, those 3 items, now that they're in the bowl, you could totally start mixing, but what I like to do is add scent, and then sometimes I like to add color. So this one is actually just going to be a base slime, so I'm not going to add color yet. I'm just going to keep it like this. So I will add scent though. So this is the scent that I'm using. I don't know why I rarely use this, but yeah. This scent, I just had a lot of it, so I'm going to be using this one. And scent also gives the slime a gloss because it's an oil. Technically, it's an essential oil, so yeah. Now I have that all in the mixer, so I will turn it on, and I forgot to say, you guys, but you'll also need some activator. So you could add activators, include Staflo, laundry detergent, baking soda, and what's it called? Contact lens solution. But what I like to use is the Borax method because it gives you a really thick slime, and you can decide if you want it thick, jiggly, or anything in between. So it's just really helpful for like a slime shop. But you know, if you want to just make like an easy one, just use like laundry detergent. It smells bad, but whatever. Okay, so now's the time to add the activator. This is 1 cup of water mixed with about 1 to 2 teaspoons of borax. So I'm gonna let this mix, but basically what you do is you keep on adding activator bit by bit. And I will see you when this is done. Okay, so it's been mixing for a few minutes, and I just slowly added in the activator, and it's a little sticky, but this is going very well. Sometimes it can get like just really chunky and, you know, gross and all that, but this is going well, except for how sticky it is. Okay, so this has been mixing for maybe like 10 minutes, and it took a lot less than usual because I have no idea why, but usually it takes me like 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes to like finish a batch this big, but you know, it took me like less than 10 minutes for this one, so maybe this recipe is just really good. Okay, so this is the container, and then I'm gonna put this in it. So So this is really nice, and it's obviously not like really thick yet or really glossy yet. That's because it needs to sit for maybe a day or two, and I'll show you when it's all thick and all clear. But also, the reason why there was already slime in this container is because I made that earlier. So yeah. But this is really nice, and it's already super thick and super glossy. Hasn't even been sitting in. So this is the slime a day later, and I thought I'd show you outside because you can really see the gloss. So yeah, that's basically it for my slime tutorial. I'll see you tomorrow, guys, and happy Vlogmas. Bye!